Hey creators, welcome back to Learn with CC. Stop stressing yourself creating digital products from scratch. What if I told you Claude AI can automate most of the hard work for you? Instead of spending hours writing content, planning, and researching, Claude can generate ebooks, planners, prompt bundles, swipe files, templates, and other high-selling digital products in minutes. Now your job becomes simple. Generate it, design it, package it, start making money. And the best part, these are products people are already buying online. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use Claude AI to create sellable digital products faster. Make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
All right. So here, I'll be using Claude to create most sellable digital products ever. So if you're someone you want to start a sellable digital product, you need to start selling this kind of prompts, okay? Remember, your digital products have to focus on solving problems for people. And here, what I am asking Claude AI to create for me is to create a downloadable PDF, okay? Because Claude can create your digital product. You don't need to design it anymore. This is one of the prompts I have, okay? And here, the title of this digital product will be AI Business Startup Blueprint. Who are my targeted audience here? These are people that are who wants to start their AI business, but they don't know how to start it, all right? And this is the design style I want to use. If you don't like the color, you can change the aesthetic, okay? Here is the pages. If you want some pages, what pages of content, what you want to add there, you can add there, all right? If you don't like anything, edit it. It's very, very easy. Just ask Claude to just come up with plan. I want a digital product, a downloadable digital product, PDF, title, so. Then you write how many pages you want in it. Okay, you can see these are all what I want to exist in there on the digital product. Okay, and once you click that, I'll be leaving this on Sonnet 4.6. Okay, because it helps to save credit. All right, if you click there, they have other models on Claude that you can use, but I want to leave it on Sonnet. All right. Then I will click on generate. All right. Claude will go into building mode. Remember, I'm just using Claude Chat. I'm not using Claude Code. I'm just using only Claude Chat to create this amazing PDF digital product, all right? Whereby you can sell it on any platform, Etsy, you can sell it on Seller, wherever, and people will be able to download it, use it to solve their problem. And this one is mainly for AI business starter blueprints, all right? So you can see it is generating. Here Claude is saying, let me build this comprehensive PDF with Report Lab, okay? So Claude will automatically look for the AI agent it will use to create this. It's already inbuilt in it. You already know what it's doing. This is beautiful, all right? So this time around, you can also use free Claude to generate some of this PDF, all right? Although there might be limitation with you using Claude because Claude is not free, totally free. But for free Claude, you can generate at least 2 PDF every day. All right, this is so amazing. You can see it is generating. Okay, so you can see how Claude have generated this PDF. Okay, in the middle box here, you can see all the components. Okay, all the pages, everything that Claude AI has put in here. Okay, here you can see your AI business startup is ready. It comes with 12 pages. Okay, 12 pages, downloadable 12 pages. So these are, we have content page, we have the roadmap, we have finding profitable niche, we have AI tools checklist. Okay, these are for people that want to start their AI business. And here is now the PDF itself. All right, you can see how beautiful and how colorful and the design that Claude AI just gave me. Look at it, your complete AI business launch system. How amazing is this, guys? This is mind blowing. Seriously, this is mind blowing. So let's scroll down. You can see we have our content page. This time around, you don't need to design your digital product. AI does it for you. AI does it for you. All you need is just to download and start making money. So this is the content. Okay, the page, you can see it has come with 9 different pages, and this is the roadmap. Okay, and the roadmap here, it's telling you what to do for you to be able to achieve that successful AI business, okay, that you want to start. Here is the top niches that you can start doing. We have AI content and copywriting, so you can go into all these niches. Depend AI chatbox and automation. You can set your business. Look out for what your what skill you have. Okay, that's what you want to develop. You can see this one as well. AI design and branding. All right, all these things are beautiful. So it's not telling you tools you need. If you don't like anything that Claude have actually input here, All right, remember that Claude did his own research to come up with. If you don't like it and you want to make some changes, you can always come in the box here and type to say, okay, page 5 now, I don't like it this way, design it that way. If you're not happy with what it, but trust me, Claude will give you most realistic and beautiful result. All right, let's keep scrolling. So this is now the branding worksheet. So now, what is your business name? You'll be able to put it. Remember, this is a blueprint for a successful AI business. All right, if you're someone you're struggling, those are the people that will purchase this, because when people want to start business, they want everything that we make their business stand out. All right, and this is the income and goal. This is also guiding people. You're starting a business, how are you going to, what kind of income, what's your goal? So all these things is what people need to look at when they are setting up their AI business. And this is their planner. What do you want to do? And all that. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorial like this. All right, this is superb. This is superb. All you need to do is to click on the download button here and just click on download, and that will save to your device. So another digital product I want to create, I want to use Claude to create 1000 viral hooks swipe file. Okay, this is mainly for faceless creators or people that want to start their faceless content journey, but they don't know the kind of hook or the kind of niche to go into. All right, how do you want to get your faceless content, or even your normal content, not only faceless content, as far as you're a content creator? How do you use a very viral hook to grab attention, to be able to retain people? Those are my targeted audience. Remember, these titles I'm giving you, these titles of all these digital products are most selling digital products. So they are hot on the market as I'm talking to you, because research has been done and this is what is selling on digital platforms. All right, so curiosity hook, different kind of hook, storytelling hook, shock hook. So they have different, and this digital product I want to build will help the user to understand how to use this different hook within their content. All right, remember, you put your title, you put your design, put everything, just type your simple prompt and click on generate. Claude will go into planning mode to design this amazing PDF. All right, so this is it. You don't need to go on Canva struggling to design. Claude will do it for you amazingly. So the 1000 viral hook swipe file is ready. You can see how detailed Claude went in to create this digital PDF for me. So you can see this here are all 11 pages, the cover, everything, how it's designed. All right, and this is the preview of it. All right, and this is the cover, how it looks. This is beautiful. So you can see here now, Claude is, how to use hook. What is hook for? Okay, how you can use it to, create a successful content. The formula, how to use it. All right, and this is what you will be selling to people, because a lot of people create content but they don't know how to use hooks. Here now is telling different kind of hooks. We have curiosity hook that you can use in your content. All right, for example of curiosity, you can say, oh, the secret that they don't want you to know about this particular kind of thing, that's curiosity hook, and we have a lot of them here that has been selected. Okay, here also we have storytelling hook, and this is the examples. These are the kind of things people can purchase, okay, and start using it to create good quality content. We have shock hook, we have a lot of them. Okay, if you scroll down, there are a lot of them. All right, emotional hook, this is wonderful. Claude is really doing wonders in terms of you. If you don't know how to use Claude to make money this time, please, you need to glue to the channel to start using Claude to make money. All right, if you also want to elevate your faceless content journey, learn how to create faceless content and monetize social media platform, create authentic content, the link will be attached down this description of this video for you to join our school academy and start to use AI to make money through your content. All right, and this is it. All right, this PDF is everything. All you need to do is to click on the download button here and download that to your so next is I will ask Claude to create me a downloadable PDF file for prompt engineering master guide. A lot of people don't know how to prompt the large language model, which is the AI, so they keep making mistakes. There are ways you create AI, it will give you a very good result. Okay, and this is the digital product I'll be creating about it, and these are things you'll be selling. All right, and people will purchase it, you start making money for yourself. So this is the title here, and this is the design I want. If you don't like the layout, you make changes. Okay, Once you want, you can include them, and these are all the pages I want, 12 pages. All right, and once you do that, you just click on generate. You send it off to Claude. So this is it here, and this is what Claude AI have crafted for me. If you look on the right, you will see the preview of it, and this is the table of content, things that it has put in place, okay, that it has built, okay. It gave you prompt, it created prompt on how you can prompt ChatGPT correctly, how you can prompt Claude, VEO, image generation, a lot of ideas, and this is the preview. So this is the cover, okay, and this is table of contents. Then when you scroll down, you will see, level of prompting. Are you a basic user, intermediate, or advanced? All these things are things you need to know, okay. Here now is how you start prompting. So let's say you want to prompt on ChatGPT. This is how you prompt it. If you look at it, you will see topic like is covered in bracket. Those are the places you will impute, where you will impute your topic. So any thing where you see a bracket, insert your what you want in there. All right, so this is it. If you scroll down, you will see how to Claude prompt, okay, how to VEO prompt. Learn how to prompt smartly, so that will help with your content. All right, you don't just go and just say AI this. No, make it well detailed prompt, and this is what this digital product is all about, helping users to actually achieve this. Okay, prompt template, we also have prompt template. See at the bottom here, you can see the color is a bit off. Okay, you can just say tell Claude to, okay, this is what I write in here for Claude to make correction, because you have to check it out as well. Okay, I want it in easy to read, so that when people purchase it, they can easily use it. All right, and this is it now. It is creating. Claude will start to recheck the color palette, everything. Claude AI is a very intelligent AI tool. It understands human concept very easily. So if you put in things, it can capture what you want. All right, that's why I love using Claude. All right, a lot of opportunities you can use Claude to create. Things you can use Claude to create. As you can see now, it's replacing the dark things. I just don't want it when people purchase it, they can't use it. All right, as you can see, the color was just off for me. So you can always reprompt and just say, oh, change the design, change the fonts, change this. If you have your own business logo, you can use the plus sign here to attach your business logo to it, if you're creating it just for specifically for your business. All right, but if you're creating it in such a way you want to sell it as a digital product, you just have to make it like just unique and generic use, so that anybody can use it for the purpose you've created it for. All right, so here is it. You can see the changes it made. It says he has updated the cover in a style. You can see the color code, that Claude have there. Let's look at the preview. You can see it has made the font more clearer and the color easy to read. Okay, anyone can see it, and even although these ones he created it in markdown, some of the prompts he made them in markdown kind of prompt way, which is easy to just for you to copy and paste it on your platform where you'll be generating. You can see it's very, very easy to use. Okay, go ahead and try your own AI prompts. Go ahead and try to use Claude to create your own most sellable digital products. Okay, let me see how it goes, but trust me, make sure when you're creating this digital product, it is for a purpose. It has to solve problem for the user. All right, that's how you make good sell with digital product. All right, once you're happy with what you've created, you just have to click on download. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorial like this. Thank you. See you in my next video.